Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload or how to post multiple pictures on Instagram without cropping. After you open your Instagram app, now tap on this plus button. After you tap on this plus button, now all you have to do now,
multiple pictures on Instagram.
So now all you have to do now, tap on this recent section. Tap on this recent. So now tap on this photos. After you tap on these photos, now go ahead and long press your hand on the pictures that you want to upload. So for me, I want to upload these two images. So I'll now long press my hand on the first one. After you long press your hand on the first one, as you can see now, it select the first one as 1. So now go ahead and select the second one. So as you can see now, I selected these two images as you can see now. Now tap on this next button. If you come to this section now, all you have to do now, tap on this button, this black button twice. Tap on it twice. So after you tap on it twice, now as you can see now here is the images. Now I can be able to upload the images without cropping. As you can see, here is the images with its full size. So all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So now all you have to do now, go ahead and type in your description and in this section and tap on this share button. Now you post multiple pictures on Instagram or in Instagram without cropping. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.